Ready to transform your Kvcore website into a dynamic video showcase that captivates your audience. First, logged into your Kvcore account, we'll be working within the Web and IDX section, so navigate to Website Manager. Now click Edit Settings on the website you'd like to implement the YouTube grid. This will lead you to your website settings panel. Scroll down until you find the custom content sections, either header, body, or footer depending on where you want the video grid to appear. In the chosen custom content area, you'll insert the code that generates the YouTube grid. Make sure the text editor is set to HTML or code view, not the visual editor. Now, paste the provided code into the editor. Remember, this code contains placeholders for your actual YouTube video IDs. You will need to customize the code with your preferred sizing and YouTube video IDs. Locate the placeholder video IDs within the code. Replace each placeholder with the unique ID from your desired YouTube videos. To find the YouTube video ID, go to the YouTube video you want to embed and copy the string of characters after V equals. This is your video ID. Once you've customized the code with all your video IDs, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Visit your Kvcore website and check out your new YouTube video grid in action. Your videos should now be displayed in an organized and visually appealing layout, engaging your audience and enhancing their experience.